Okay. So this is the final step, guys. Um, so I haven't traced anything yet, but I'm assuming that everyone will be done by now. After watching all the videos, you should be done tracing um, and then matching your properties with the legends that you just made. This is the final step. There is no going back. So just go ahead, file, save or copy as in your desktop if in case anything goes wrong. And so now we'll just clip everything together to one place. So for that, you just need to create a layer called cookie cutter. It should be at the top. And then use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. This is the rectangle that I've made. Yeah, I'm just going to increase the stroke so that it's a little more visible. Okay, and you can choose any size of the rectangle. There is no limitation or anything. And then choose the section or the area that you want to show in the map. So I prefer having it at the center part of the map because it has a lot of lines and everything, and I think it covers most of the part. So you can select the region, any region that you want to add. Just make sure that you copy this line and add it to your poster, um, and then see whether this rectangle fits inside the poster. As you can see, mine covers the entire poster, and this is not what I want. So what I would do is resize the poster to maybe like this much. This is the right size of the poster that I would like to have my map in. So I'm just gonna copy this, go back to my file, delete the older one, paste it here. So now don't move or don't resize the rectangle, because this is the size that you want to clip. And I'm gonna place it where I want. And then this is the perfect place that I want. So remember I told you in the beginning not to move any of the pictures or the maps, because this is in exact scale. So you need to be mindful about that. And if you have created or traced each of these pictures in different files, go watch my second video and then come back to this video for clipping mask. If you have traced it in exact position, you did not move anything, then you're good to proceed to this final step. Um, so once you're done tracing everything, you'll have series of layers with everything on it. You just need to delete the ones with images on it, right? Like the Salt Lake City route map and then the SLC transit map. So select these. Come on. Select these and just delete these. Okay. Once you delete these, all you'll be left with is a lot of lines that you've traced. I have not traced anything, so all of my layers are blank, but you should have the ones that you've traced. All the pictures will be gone. And then now that you've chosen this area for your clipping mask, do not move this as well. And once you're done, you have a layer called map elements, web map elements. You can just move this layer at the top. We won't be using this for now. And then click on the cookie cutter. And okay, so the web map layer will be right below the cookie cutter layer. So All you need is a cookie cutter layer and the web map layer, and then click on this area at the side, hold down Shift key and click on this area again for the web map layer. So this way everything else will be selected, and then right click and then make clipping mask. It's very simple, like you did before, and once you do that, it'll take a while, but everything will be clipped to this rectangular box. It'll have all of those lines that you traced. I did not trace anything. This is just for the purpose of showing you. And then just copy this and go back to your poster that you created for mobility. Paste it here. You might want to create a different layer and then paste it so that everything's easier. I'm gonna add a map layer and then paste it here. Okay, and then just arrange it to where you want to paste it. Mine is very heavy. If you're experiencing the same kind of problem, then you can use the same trick that I did before. So copy the x-axis, x and the y-axis, and paste it, and then select this other map that you just created and paste it here. So once you do that, it should move. So I just pasted the x-axis, and then now it's turned for the y-axis. Come on. Anyways, you just need to copy the x and the y-axis for this box, pink box, or this box, and then paste the y-axis. Okay. Anyways, you just need to move the map to the correct position that you want your map to be, and that's all for regarding the map. You can work on the other requirements. There are other requirements for your lab. We just worked on this part, the map itself. You need to have all of these callouts, pictures, and information. Just go through the reading, go through the instructions mentioned in the Canvas page, and you should be good.